People often want to buy courses and online education for others. It might be a manager gifting access to their team, a client buying a premium course for a colleague, a team member covering a subscription for someone they work with, or even a family member in need of a last-minute Christmas gift. The intent is simple, but in reality, the execution rarely is. Most learning platforms still treat this as an edge case. Buyers are pushed into creating accounts for other people, sharing login details, or better yet, contacting support just to ask how gifting is supposed to work. That friction matters because it introduces hesitation right at the point of purchase, increases support requests, and silently costs you sales. That's exactly why we built the LifterLMS Gifts add-on. When someone buys a gift, they're already convinced. They've chosen your product, they're willing to pay upfront, and they want the recipient to have a good experience. But when checkout turns into a set of instructions or a follow-up email explaining what to do next, confidence drops, buyers pause, most actually leave, while some will begrudgingly reach out to your support team before the sale is even complete. LifterLMS Gifts enables you to sell both courses and memberships as gift vouchers. A buyer completes a normal purchase, receives a gift voucher code, and then shares that with the recipient. The recipient then redeems that code when they're ready, getting immediate access to the course or membership. There's no forced timing, no shared credentials, and no manual intervention from you. You make the sale once, and the experience remains straightforward for everyone involved. From the perspective of a site owner, gifting doesn't introduce new workflows or ongoing management. You enable gifting by adding a gift purchases access plan to a course or to a membership, and that plan then behaves like any other access plan, with one important difference. Instead of enrolling the buyer directly, it generates a gift voucher at the time of purchase. From the buyer's perspective, the process feels familiar. They purchase the gift and receive the voucher code. From the recipient of said gift, there's no pressure to act immediately. They can redeem the voucher during checkout or from their student dashboard when the time is right. That flexibility matters because gifting rarely follows a fixed schedule. People often buy first and then decide on timing later. LifterLMS Gifts is built to support that rather than to fight it. It's now actually designed to support one more of the many ways learning is actually sold, not just how it's consumed. For corporate gifting and team access, vouchers allow organizations to pay upfront without needing to collect learner details immediately. Managers can distribute access internally on their own timeline without involving you in the process. For course creators selling premium products, gifting reduces hesitation. Buyers can commit without worrying about enrollment timing or account setup. This makes higher value courses easier to sell to a supportive family member of your core audience. And for memberships, gifting becomes a clean experience instead of an awkward workaround. Access can be given without managing someone else's billing or login, which makes memberships easier to recommend and easier to purchase on another person's behalf. Not to mention if you want to gift 1 year for free and then have to worry about renewals. Every unnecessary step before checkout increases the chance of abandonment. LifterLMS Gifts makes it incredibly easy. The result is fewer abandoned purchases, fewer pre-sales questions, and fewer support tickets that start with, "Can I buy this for someone else?" And that's not all. Gifting doesn't mean losing visibility or control. Buyers can see the status of their gift vouchers, recipients have clear places to redeem them, and administrators don't manage individual gifts manually or track redemptions outside of the LMS they already know and love. LifterLMS Gifts is available as a standalone add-on, and it's also included with the Infinity Bundle. People already want to buy learning for others, and LifterLMS Gifts lets you support that intent without friction, without workarounds, and without extra admin effort. As we approach the holiday season this year, or birthdays of those that you love, now more than ever, today is a great day to enable gift purchases on your LifterLMS websites. And if you're evaluating platforms, this is one more way LifterLMS removes barriers between interest and purchase. Learn more about LifterLMS Gifts at lifterlms.com/gifts. And as always, if you have absolutely any questions for us or feedback, please feel free to get in touch. We are here and always happy to help. Meanwhile, happy holidays.